Hello mga ka-airsoft, mga palaboy, welcome to my YouTube channel. Our video for today is about how to assemble our very own FNPAL SA58 model of the FNPAL airsoft rifle. This is a toy gun airsoft carbine, traditional carbine profile, and sa mga merong ganito na unit is I will make a video about how to assemble, dahil kadalasan naman is nagkakalas tayo, then hindi na natin alam kung paano ibalik. Well, for today's video is gagawin nating major and basic parts. Hindi naman yung pinaka maliit na parts, pero crucial in major parts ng ating unit SA58 traditional carbine, or either tactical. Pareho lang sila lahat, kakaiba lang is yung handguard and the stock na tactical siya. So merong ibang mga model na high grade at mas upgrade nito, pero mostly pareho lang ang mga parts niya. So let's start with assembling na. Okay, diretso. Wala na yung mga oops, nakalimutan ko tanggalin yung aking face mask. So let's go. Okay, this is our upper receiver with a thick barrel, as you can see, and we will install the handguard. Okay, so this is how to install the handguard. Is this called handguard? Yes, and snap, then insert the bolt at the screwing hole. Siyempre, sa butas. Then, screw with the nut. Very easy. Very human. Diba? Very human. Okay, then we have the complete upper receiver. We will install the half-up assembly and the inner barrel also. So, insert the inner barrel doon sa hole. Make sure that when you insert the barrel into the hole is walang sasabit and it fits well. Make sure that it will slide smoothly. Here it goes. Then we will carefully insert the lower and upper receiver. Make sure that there are no wires na maipit or ano ba tawag dun sa English? Makat yung wire when it snap with the ice. So to avoid cutting of wires or to damage the wire, and normally this will go smoothly, but as we can observe, something is knocking the that one. You see that wire, bended wire? We should avoid it knocking on the other side of the earth. Okay, you will just push the wire down and push forward, then yeah, there it goes. You see the alignment of the hole. Check for the firmness of each sides, including the half-up assembly. Then we will insert the bolt. Install the bolt. Proper installing the two bolts should be smoothly slides. If it does not, then it's wrong. The application is wrong, so you will have to reapply it again. Then okay, then we will insert the magazine. How to properly insert the magazine? So that is the proper way to insert the magazine of our FNPAL SA58 or basta FNPAL. Okay, so that's all of it, guys. Thank you for watching.